So this is the US oil analysis for Monday the 7th of May. Now let's have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So from our last videos we were saying that we did have a series of higher lows and we were looking poised for a retest of the 68.19. From the 68.19 we did find that support that we were looking for in around 68.19. We did see a strong break to the upside to retest the old highs in around 69.30. And the major resistance around 69.51. What we did see was a very strong bullish break of the 69.51 and break above our previous swing high in around 69.30. Had a retest of the 69.51 from above, held the support, formed a bit of consolidation, and then we had another strong push here to the upside, breaking above the $70 barrel mark, and we are into a bit of a consolidation. We do still appear somewhat bullish here in the market. So if we do see the momentum play out further to the upside, we're looking for a move up towards our 70.79 here on the US oil. Successful break from which the very next major level is all the way up at 73.73 level. So beyond the 70.79, we'll look to see how prices react around 71.50 and the $72 a barrel mark here on the US oil. If, however, we do fail, we do see a bit of a breakdown. We're then looking for price here down towards our 69.51 for potentially find support for a move back up towards that 70.79. But if we do fail to hold support there, we're looking for price head down towards that 68.19 where this initial move started. Now, those are pretty much levels that we are looking at here, both to the upside and the downside. What we'll do now is we'll look over to the monthly chart to see how prices are developing here. On the US oil, head over to the monthly charts, and we can see here on the monthly chart that we had our lows, we formed lower lows, higher lows, brief consolidation, broke out to the upside, had a brief pullback underneath the 200 period moving average here on the monthly chart, but we've had a strong break of the 200 period moving average, and we're seeing that momentum follow through early on here in May. So there is a possibility of prices retracing all the way up towards that 75, the 76.50 level here on the US oil over the coming months or so, going into 2019, well, going to late 2018, possibly 2019. So there is a possibility. Well, it depends how volatile oil is. Actually, we could do this in a matter of a week or so, but we do look poised for a continued surge to the upside on US oil towards that $75 barrel mark, and then potentially that $80 a barrel mark if we do some momentum follow through that we have seen over the past months or so on the US oil. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the weekly time frame, see how prices are developing. And over on this weekly time frame, we can see here we've had a series of higher lows. So we have our lows, higher lows, sharp pullback down towards the 20 period moving average, brief move upwards, pullback again, tested 20, pullback, tested 20, strong move from that 20 period moving average here on the weekly time frame. And we've had a brief bullish consolidation. We've had another break to the upside, closing above the 69.51, and we do appear to be poised for further upside continuation. Now, here on this weekly time frame, we do have the 400 period moving average sitting around that $75 barrel mark, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bit of a pullback from that level due to added confluence of the 400 period moving average and the horizontal level here on US oil. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. And here we are on the daily chart. So we're saying we have our lows, higher lows, had a brief move upwards, went to this consolidation, didn't see a breakdown from this consolidation. Instead, what we did see was as we've come to the lower end of this consolidation, we've had a strong move to the upside, very strong move, closing above the 69.51, our previous highs, which is a particularly bullish sign, closing above the previous highs. And we're seeing that momentum follow through early on here on the 7th of May. So again, reducing poised head towards that $71 barrel mark and possibly progressing towards that 71.50 or so here on US oil. And with that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.